so sick. I took a long walk straight back home. I could've walked back to San Francisco. I used to long for time alone. I used to long for a place of my own. And I'm losing faith in everything. I'm lost, so lost, I'm lost at CUC. I used to long for broken bones. I used to long for a casket to call my own. I never had a problem facing fear, but I'm done over and out, my dear. And oh, mercy me, God bless catastrophe. But there's no way in hell we'll ever live to see through this. So drop yourself insane tonight. It's not that far away, and not just build up your tank earlier today. Yeah, it's been a long day living with this. It's been a long time since I felt so sick. I took a long while straight back home. I could've walked back to Chicago. I used to long for time alone. I used to long for a place of my own. And I've lost faith in everything. I'm lost, so lost, I'm lost without you. Oh, mercy me, God bless catastrophe. But there's no way in hell we'll ever live to see through this. So drop yourself insane tonight. It's not that far away, and I just build up your tank earlier today. Yeah. So drop yourself insane tonight. It's not that far away, and I just build up your tank earlier today. Yeah, yeah.
Everybody got the right to speak their mind, so don't shoot me for saying mine. Everybody talk about racial equality, 'cause everybody's equal in the good Lord's eyes. But if I told you that God was black, what would you think of that? I bet you wouldn't believe it. There's a self-made prophet living right next to me. He said the black Messiah's gonna come and set the whole world free. He looked at me with his evil eye and he prophesied, and he really believed it. He said a black Messiah is gonna set the world on fire, and he no liar, 'cause he has truly heard the word. Everybody talk about racial equality, but I'm the only honky living on an all-black street. They knock me down 'cause they brown and I white. Everybody got the right to speak their mind, so don't shoot me for saying mine. Everybody talk about racial equality. Yeah, everybody talk about equal rights. The white's white, black's black, that's that. And that's the way you should leave it. to speak their mind. So don't shoot me for saying mine.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine I can't control my brain. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. When you're on a golden sea, you don't need no memory, just a place to call your own as we drift into the zone. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine I can't control my brain. We'll run away together, we'll spend some time forever, we'll never feel bad anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine I can't control my brain. We'll run away together, we'll spend some time forever, we'll never feel bad anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Feel bad anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Feel bad
Don't look back into the sun. Now you know that the time is come, and they said it would never come for you. Oh my friends, you haven't changed. You're looking rough and living strange, and I know you got a taste for it too. They'll never forgive you, but they won't let you go. Oh no, you can never forgive you, but she won't let you go. Oh no.
discussed your pearls, but you're on the run. And all the lies you said, who did you say? Then they played that song at the dead disco. It started fast but it ends so slow. And all the time just reminded me of you. They'll never forgive you, but they won't let you go. Let me go! She'll never forgive you, but she won't let you go. Oh no!
Have you heard about the trouble throughout the land with the fascists and the left-wing militants? Out-of-work executives are killing themselves, and the IRA are killing everybody else. Don't panic, don't lose control. Keep your head, keep a hold. Act normal, there's nothing wrong. Stay cool, just carry on. You got